Crimes Against Honor and Modesty in the UAE. What you need to know. Guide for expats in the UAE. What residents and expats need to know about crimes against honor and modesty under UAE criminal law. One message. A very angry argument. A post on social media sent out of anger. In a lot of countries, these kinds of things could end in apologies or lawsuits. But in the UAE, they can quickly become criminal cases. Crimes against honor and modesty are some of the most misunderstood parts of UAE criminal law for expats, working professionals, business owners, tourists, and families with members from different countries. Most people charged with these crimes never meant to break the law, and every experienced criminal lawyer in the UAE will tell you the same thing. This video clearly and accurately explains what crimes against honor and modesty are under UAE criminal law, why they are important, and how to stay out of serious legal trouble. What are crimes against modesty and honor in the UAE? Crimes against modesty: indecent or offensive conduct, such as inappropriate physical behavior, public indecency, sexual harassment, or sharing obscene images, videos, or messages. Crimes against honor: insults, defamation, abusive language, offensive gestures, or accusations that damage someone's reputation. These offenses often arise from words, actions, digital communication, not physical violence. They can occur through texts, voice notes, social media posts, emails, or even private chats. Private communication is not automatically protected if the content is offensive or shared without consent. Defamation or cyberbullying online. Important fact: in the UAE, intent is not always necessary. If they hurt someone's honor or modesty, even jokes or emotional reactions can be crimes. Why these crimes are more important in the UAE? Respect, privacy, and public morals are very important to the law in the UAE. This is true for both citizens and non-citizens. Fact: that is interesting. According to statements from the UAE's courts, a lot of criminal complaints involving expats have to do with insults, defamation, or modesty-related behavior, especially through messaging apps. A real-life example. Imagine that the UAE is like a shared office space. What you say, post, or do affects everyone around you, and there are strict rules about what you can and can't do. Insult and defamation. Words can be a crime. Many people contact a criminal lawyer in the UAE after being accused of insult or defamation. Under UAE law, an insult can include cursing at someone, even in private, making offensive hand gestures, or making accusations that harm another person's reputation. It can also involve voice notes, text messages, or WhatsApp communications that contain abusive or offensive language. An important legal point to understand is that, in the UAE, truth is not always a defense. Even a statement that is factually correct may still be considered a criminal offense if it damages a person's honor or dignity. Cybercrime, or crimes that happen online and on social media. A lot of people in the area are shocked to find out that messages on WhatsApp, reviews on Google, all Instagram stories can be used as evidence in a crime. Fact: that is interesting. Under the UAE cybercrime law, individuals can face legal consequences for insulting or defaming others, or for sharing private content without consent, even in private chats. Advice from a criminal lawyer in the UAE: never share screenshots of private conversations, and never post accusations online or attempt to defend yourself publicly during a dispute. Crimes that have to do with sexual harassment and modesty. Behaviors that cross personal boundaries are also crimes against modesty. For instance, messages that you don't want with sexual language, unprofessional comments at work, staring, gestures, or being too close to someone that makes them uncomfortable. Indecent behavior in public. Important. Note: in the UAE, consent rules are very strict, and the cultural context is very important. Analogy: in the UAE, what might seem like casual flirting in other places can be seen as breaking the law, like going through a locked door without permission. A big difference between public and private. Many expats believe that private conversations are safe, but under UAE law, this is a dangerous misunderstanding. The truth: private messages can be used as proof in public. You can file a complaint even if only one person saw the message. Courts care more about the effect than the number of people who see it. A criminal lawyer in the UAE often tells clients that privacy does not protect them from being charged with a crime. Punishments for crimes against honor and modesty. Punishments for crimes may include penalties, being in jail, deportation for foreigners, criminal records that affect jobs and visas. Important information: some crimes let people make up, but only through the law, not by saying sorry. Common mistakes made by expats and residents. When to get a criminal lawyer. Responding with feelings instead of the law. Deleting messages, which can make people more suspicious. Not answering police calls. Putting explanations on social media. If you say you're sorry, you automatically close cases. How to keep yourself safe. Useful advice. Wait before sending messages. Don't insult others, even when you disagree. Never share private information. Think of online platforms as public places. In conclusion, under UAE criminal law, crimes against honor and modesty are not minor issues. They are serious offenses with real consequences. What makes them so hard is that a lot of them come from normal conversations, texting, or cultural differences. People living in the UAE, tourists, expats, and professionals can protect their reputation, freedom, and future by knowing the law, following local customs, and getting advice from a qualified criminal lawyer in the UAE. Like, subscribe, and get expert legal clarity only from Awatif Mohammed Shoki Advocates and Legal Consultants.